What's up guys, and welcome to my very first Python video. So I'm going to be showing you the program that I created, and this is actually my very first program that I created in Python. I know most people use the Hello World program as their first program, but I'm going to show you this like basic alarm clock. And bear with me, I'm also learning Python, so I may say something that's not correct, but we're all going to learn along the way. So let me show you the program. So first we have to import datetime. And this is gonna give us the current date, the current time in the computer. So now we need to ask the user what hour and what minute they want to wake up. So alarm hour is equal to int, because we want to get an integer for the hour. So what hour do you want to wake up? And now the same with the minute. So let's change the variable name to alarm minute. And it's still an integer, so what minute? And now we want to know if they want to wake up during the AM hours or the PM hours. So AM PM is equal to, and we're gonna have to get a string because they're gonna type in letters. So AM or PM, okay? And now this is very important because daytime is gonna give us the current hour in military time. So we need to adjust for this because most people use AM or PM hours, but the computer is gonna give us military time. So let's say the user wants to wake up at 2 p.m. Well, we're gonna need to add 12 to that because 2 in military time is 1400, okay? So now if AM PM is equal to PM, and we only need to account for PM. So another thing, just make these lowercase. It's gonna help us in the future. I'll explain right now. So if AM PM is equal to PM, we want to change the alarm hour and add 12 to it. Okay, alarm hour is equal to alarm hour plus 12. Okay, so now we need to create a while loop because we want to keep checking if the alarm has to ring, okay? So we're gonna go, is the alarm going on right now? No. Okay, keep going. Is the alarm right now? No, keep going. Okay, and this is gonna be really messy, but I'm gonna put while 1 is equal to 1. And this is always going to be true, okay? I know there could be like other ways you could figure it out, but this is the way I figured it out. So if alarm hour is equal to datetime, and this is when we're going to get the current hour, datetime dot now dot hour, and alarm minute is equal to datetime dot now dot minute. Alright, so let me explain this a little bit. So the while loop is going to run, and if the alarm hour that they chose is equal to the current hour that the computer gives us, and the minute that they chose is equal to the current minute that the computer gives us right now, we're gonna make the alarm ring. And it's gonna be pretty simple. We're just gonna put print wake up lazy. All right, and one more thing is we're gonna exit the loop. Then to make sure that we actually did exit the loop, we're just gonna print exited. I don't even know if that's a word, but yeah. Okay. Alright guys, so before we run our program, you may have noticed I made a typo. So right here I put PM twice. So make sure it's AM or PM, and make sure it's lowercase. And also right here, there's a syntax error. So make sure there's a colon after the if statement. Okay, because if there's not a colon here after this parentheses, you're gonna get a syntax error and your program's not gonna run. So other than that, let's run the program. Alright, so what hour do you want to wake up? So I'm gonna pick the current hour, because other than if we pick like a time that's way ahead, we're gonna wait here for hours. So right now it's 10:08. So what I'm gonna do is set the alarm only 1 minute ahead. So what minute do you want to wake up? So 10:09, 1 minute ahead. And right now it's AM in my time. Right, so it's 10:08. We just need to wait till the time changes to 10:09 when our alarm clock is supposed to go off. See, as you can see, it changed. So wake up lazy, and as you can see, we exited the while loop, so our alarm is off. Alright guys, so now we're gonna check for the PM hours, but unfortunately right now it's AM. It's 10:11 AM where I live. So just to prove to you guys that it works, so 10, and we're gonna set it 1 minute ahead, 10:12, and we're gonna put PM, and the computer should wait now. So as you can see, it's 10:11 AM where I live. And remember, we set our alarm clock for 10:12 PM. So once this minute passes, the alarm is not gonna ring. So as you can see, the alarm is still waiting. And that's because, remember, we made it so that it understands military time. So it's gonna ring, but like I said, hours from now. So I really hope you liked the video. This is my very first video, and I'm learning Python with you guys. I'm not an expert at programming, so you guys could see my development throughout this whole process, and maybe you could relate to me because you're also learning Python, and let's just learn together. So please subscribe. I would really appreciate it, so we could go on this journey together.